Hi, for today's video, we'll do a revision on the moles calculation and the theories from the chapter of organic chemistry. So I've chosen a question from O-Level Science Chemistry 2015 Paper 3, Question 7. Let's first have a look at the question. For part A, write the chemical formula for propane and calculate its relative molecular mass. So for part A, we have propane. Alright, so it's an alkane with the formula Pro is C3H2N plus 2. That will give us 8. And the Mr will be equals to 12 times 3 plus 8. This will give us 44. Alright, so let's look at part B, I. Calculate the volume of 10 grams of ethane at room temperature and pressure. The volume of 10 grams. So we have ethane. This is also an alkane, so E means C2, H, 2N plus 2, that will give us 6. The Mr is equals to 12 times 2 plus 6, 24, that is 30. So if we want to calculate the moles first, that will be mass over molar mass. We have got 10 grams. That divided by 30 will give us 1/3 mole. And so if we need to calculate the volume, alright, so volume, we have moles equals to volume over molar volume. So volume is equals to moles multiplied by molar volume. We have 1/3 multiplied by 24 dm cubed. This will give us 8 dm cubed. Okay, so this is the answer for part 1. For part 2, we have the chemical equation for the complete combustion of ethene is as follows, and calculate the volume of oxygen needed to burn 10 grams of ethane completely. So here we can first do a mole ratio. Here we can first do a mole ratio for part 2. So mole ratio of ethane, C2H6 is to the oxygen. We have got 2 is to 7. Alright, 2 mole is to 7. But for gaseous product, we don't need to back calculate the moles and then we do the mole ratio and compare. We can straightforward use the volume to solve. So since we have got 8 dm cubed of ethane, 8 dm cubed, the volume of oxygen required will be 8 divided by 2 times 7, 4 times 7. That will be 28 dm cubed. Alright. So for part 3, calculate the volume of air that contains this volume of oxygen. Assume that clean air contains exactly 21% oxygen. So what we can do right here, we'll take 28 dm cubed divided by 21% and multiply by 100 to find how much we need. This will give us 133.3. We'll round to give us 133 dm cubed. Okay, let's look at part C, I. State why ethane can be made into a polymer why ethene can be made into a polymer but why ethane cannot. So for C, part 1. First of all, ethane is saturated and cannot form any new bonds. Okay, while ethene is unsaturated with C double bond C and so can undergo addition polymerization. Alright, so that's part 1. Part 2. Describe what happens when ethene molecule undergo polymerization. Okay, so for part 2, the C double bond C will break and forms a new bond with the carbon atoms in another ethene molecule. This will continue to form a giant covalent molecule of polyethene. Alright, so that's for part 2. For part 3, it shows the structural formula of a part of an addition polymer. Deduce and draw the structural formula of the monomer. So from here we can see that it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a 4 repeated units. So that's actually a part 3. C double bond C with 4 substituents, which 3 of them are hydrogen and 1 is chlorine. So this is how it looks like. Alright, and this is the answer for the whole question.